our correspondent ma'am and our in-charge teachers and teachers, all my dear friends and lovely parents. Today we are gathered here to celebrate the anniversary of our Independence Day. On this day 78 years ago, India became a free nation after a long and hard struggle against British colonial rule. We salute the brave freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for the sake of our nation, its future. India is a land of diversity, where people of different religions, languages, cultures and traditions live together in harmony. India is also a land of unity, where we have overcome many challenges and crises by standing together as one nation. India is also a land of opportunity, where we have made remarkable progress in various fields, technology, science, agriculture, health, defense and space. But we also have to remember our freedom comes with a great responsibility. We have to protect our nation and integrity from any external or internal threats. We have to promote our democratic values and constitutional rights. We have to respect our national symbols. We have to protect our nature. My dear friends, we are the future of India. We have to make India a strong, prosperous and happy nation. We have to make India a leader in the world. We have to make India a land of our dreams. On this wonderful occasion, let's take a pledge to save our motherland with dedication and devotion. Let's follow the motto. Nation is first, always first, has announced by government for Independence Day. Let us remember the word of our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who said on August 15, 1947, at the stroke of midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. A moment comes, which comes but rarely in the history. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you to all.